But let's shift focus then to a CNBC TV18 exclusive now. PSU banks have written to the Finance Ministry on cross-selling commissions. Yash Jain joins us with all those interesting details. Yash.
Well, Nigel, before I get to the latest development here, let me just put a few things in context. So essentially what had happened is a couple of weeks ago, of course, what we were given to understand from our sources is that Finance Ministry, Department of Financial Services, had written to PSU banks essentially expressing concern on the cross-commission expense which they pay to their own employees for selling the products of their own subsidiaries. What happens is essentially if a State Bank of India is selling a SBI mutual fund or SBI life insurance or SBI general insurance product, if he completes a particular target, he gets incentivized for the same thing. Now, the Finance Minister had expressed concern saying that, this is something which needs to stop, and how can it be stopped? They had sought response from all the PSU banks. Here, what we are given to understand is that these PSU banks are planning to write to the Finance Ministry saying that this is a very vital part of the kind of income which their subsidiaries make through distribution and cross-selling of products. Of course, SBI Life gets 60% of its sales just from the products which State Bank of India distributes. So what they're saying is that this is very crucial for them as far as their income is concerned. And, the Finance Ministry's concern was essentially cross-selling. The employee of State Bank of India, just to complete that target, is mis-selling the product by just giving wrong facts about it. So they are essentially planning to write to the Finance Ministry, stating the right facts, saying that, no customer is being mis-sold any of the insurance or mutual fund products, as there are multiple level of checks which happen at the SBI. So that is taken care of at the bank as well as the subsidiary level. Hence, we do not require any sort of restriction when it comes to that cross-selling commission. We'll have to wait and watch, but this remains to be a big overhang as far as these stocks are also concerned.
All right, Yash, thanks a lot for that. We slip into a short break, come back. Another stock on our radar is Info Edge. After Alibaba Group is set to infuse about $210 million into Zomato. We'll get chatting with Chintan Thakkar, who's the CFO of Info Edge, on the other side.